The umbrella for digital in ABB is Ability, which is our platform and brand. We're developing 3 types of solutions: digital services, digital solutions, and digital tools. With these, we give our customers more information to take better decisions. With remote assistance and remote condition monitoring services, we can prevent plant breakdowns. With our virtual drives, the configuration and testing of drives becomes a true digital and modern experience. Our ABB Xenon software gives deep insight into operational data. This can be used for optimization, quality assurance, and increased availability. Our DriveTune and DriveBase mobile apps for commissioning and maintaining the drives take the user experience to the next level. Our customers are most interested in reliable and cost-efficient operations, easy-to-use products, and trouble-free installation and maintenance. On top of that, they appreciate easiness to do business with ABB and 24/7 operations to keep their drives and motors running. All of these customer values we can address with digital means. In the digital age, nobody can do everything by himself anymore. We have to find partners, develop ecosystems, and innovate fast in order to stay on top. ABB has partnered with Microsoft and IBM to integrate their cloud and artificial intelligence technologies into our ABB Ability platform. But we also need access to innovative minds, spirits that we find typically in startup companies in order to create the technology and innovation pipeline. For this purpose, ABB Drives has partnered with VentureBright, a venture development and consultancy company from the UK. And jointly we are conducting startup events in order to get access to external innovation. In the future, we will see more and more of our drives connected to give our customers access to digital services, because customer value is what digital is all about.